In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your VIP cashback on your OneXBet account. Before we proceed, don't forget to use our promo code ChelseaTV when you register to your OneXBet account. And to do that, you click on the big green register button above. On this next section, you click on Full. On the next section, you input all the personal information needed there. And then on your promo code section, you input the promo code ChelseaTV. When you're done inputting the promo code ChelseaTV, you get a 200% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. Okay guys, back to our video. So to get your VIP cashback on your OneXBet account, you click on the menu button below. After clicking on your menu button below, you click on 1x Games. After clicking on 1x Games, you click on Cashback. As you can see, you have two options there. Select games with regular cashback. You click on that. So in this next section, you'll be only allowed to select 2 games per week to use your 300% cashback. So you can decide to select any game of your choice and then you save. If you still need any information on how to use cashback, you go back and click on the information button above. You'll be given a step-by-step guideline on how to use cashback on your OneXBet account.